A new on-ramp from Amelia Street to eastbound I-4 is scheduled to open as soon as the morning of January 7th, and the old eastbound ramp from Garland Avenue will be closed. To access this new eastbound I-4 on-ramp, you will need to be in the right lane of Garland Avenue before the intersection of Amelia Street. The old ramp that was accessible from the left lane of Garland Avenue will close. The new ramp will be much longer than before. During this phase of construction, this new ramp will join the temporary ramp system between Colonial Drive and Lee Road. The complete route for motorists traveling this new ramp begins near the intersection of Garland Avenue and Amelia Street. Motorists must be in the right lane on Garland Avenue before the intersection of Amelia Street to access this new ramp. Once entering the new ramp, from the right lane, not the left lane on Garland Avenue, the new ramp takes motorists over Colonial Drive and Lake Ivanhoe via the temporary ramp system adjacent to I-4. Motorists can enter the main line of eastbound I-4 just beyond Princeton Street. If you happen to miss this new ramp, please do not come to a sudden stop in the middle of Garland Avenue or attempt an unsafe driving maneuver. Remember, there is a second eastbound I-4 on-ramp accessible from Garland Avenue just beyond the Colonial Drive intersection. Be sure to pay attention and use caution when in this area, as this is a new traffic pattern. To learn more about this new ramp and the entire I-4 Ultimate project, visit i4ultimate.com.